I am back with another video, and in today's video I have my grocery haul for you. We went to Walmart, we did the grocery pickup as usual, but we also went in store to GFS to pick up a special little treat. So I'm going to go through everything really quickly. I apologize for the sound of the air conditioner running, but it's way too hot here in Southeast Michigan to turn it off, so just try to bear with me. And I'll try to get through this quick so you don't have to hear it for too long. Alright, so first up I have some English muffins. I want to do some breakfast sandwiches this week. I bought some of these donut sticks. I saw somebody else's grocery haul. I'm trying to remember. Might have been Blessed Jess, and she was talking about the donut sticks and it made me want them, so I got some of those. I also got some of the zebra cake rolls. I grew up eating zebra cakes. I have to tell you guys, the rolls are way better than the original cakes. Highly recommend those. I got some of this black cherry limeade water enhancer. I picked up some of this sugar-free sweet tea. Someone in the comments of my last grocery haul mentioned that the Milo's brand has an unsweetened version that's made with Splenda, and it got me intrigued, so I was looking at that, and then I saw that Walmart's version is also made with Splenda, so I went ahead and got that because it's a little bit cheaper. Picked up some milk. Got some strawberry preserves for sandwiches, also a jar of peanut butter. We were all out of soy sauce. I like to buy this lower sodium soy sauce from Great Value, so I picked that up. Got some of these mozzarella string cheeses. Those make for a great snack. Picked up a couple of cucumbers. Also got some of the fat-free cottage cheese, which is another great snack. We were all out of Pop-Tarts, so I picked up our favorite flavors. The brown sugar cinnamon is my personal favorite, and then the strawberry the kids really like. They like the cherry too, but they were out of that one, so I got what I could. Picked up a pineapple. We had a pineapple last week and it was delicious. Austin, my 12-year-old, ate almost the entire thing, so I had to pick up another one so the rest of us could get some too. Also picked up a bag of mandarins. Those were $2 on sale. Great deal. Got some of these turkey breakfast sausage patties for those breakfast sandwiches. I also ordered spicy chicken patties, but they were out of stock. So they substituted these buffalo-style chicken strips, which I know that my boys will love. Anything spicy they're a fan of. I got this turkey pot pie to have for myself for a lunch one day this week. I also picked up some of these seasoned tater tots. We love these. And then, you guys, I bought a bajillion cases of sparkling water. I did not intend to do this. I actually had these in my cart because I was adding them to the cart and comparing flavors and prices and things, and then I totally forgot they were in there when I placed the order. So we have a ton of sparkling water. I got the Clear American unsweetened strawberry. I got the lime and the blackberry. I also picked out the grapefruit and what is this one? Peach. And then I had another one too. It was the AHA brand lime watermelon, and they substituted for this LaCroix hibiscus flavor, which I'm not sure I'm gonna like, but I'll give it a try. Definitely did not intend to have this much sparkling water all at once. But I am excited to try all the different flavors. We'll go through this. It might just take us a while. Okay. Got some white bread for sandwiches. Also picked up these hamburger buns. Those were intended to go with my spicy chicken patties, but obviously the menu's going to have to change a little bit. That's fine. Okay, moving back over here. We got some romaine lettuce, some tomatoes, also a pound of strawberries, couple of green bell peppers. This is a watermelon. I left it in the bag because when my husband opened the car door, the watermelon rolled out and smashed. So it's cracked open, it's leaking. We're gonna have to eat this real quick. Cannot wait to have it though. It was only $2.99 and it's pretty large, so I'm very excited about that. Got some iceberg lettuce. We were just about out of coffee, so I picked up a can of coffee. Some non-food items. I needed paper towels, and they actually had some in stock, so I picked those up. My Amazon Subscribe and Save hasn't been able to get me my paper towels in months, so these will do. I also bought some straws. We just recently bought a new blender, And we have been doing all sorts of cocktails and mocktails, so needed straws for that. I also needed a new sugar scrub. My favorite are the Tree Hut sugar scrubs. I haven't tried this particular scent before. It's the Tahitian Vanilla Bean, but I'm sure it'll be lovely. Got some butter and some tortillas for a taco night. We needed some more of these. We love these in our house. The party pizzas from Totino's, so I picked up 2 4-packs of those. We got ever important coffee creamer, so I got 2 half and half for my husband. And I'm going to have Italian sweet cream again this week because I loved that last week. I was really missing it. Got a bottle of ranch dressing because we were all out of that. And 2 bottles of my husband's favorite Pure Leaf Unsweet tea. So that was everything from Walmart. Hopefully I didn't miss anything. I did. Did I talk to you guys about the bananas? Might have missed those. But I think I got everything else. The only other thing that we got was from Gordon Food Service. I have been craving these jumbo soft pretzels for a while. And since we were going by there today, my husband ran in and picked them up. So very excited about those. He also got a ginormous package of cream cheese to go with those. So we're all set for snacks for the week and beyond. All right, you guys, that is going to do it for my grocery haul this week. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please take a minute to click that thumbs up button to let me know. I would appreciate it. Also, if you are into grocery hauls and you enjoy them, I post a new grocery haul every single week here on my channel. So make sure that you subscribe so that you never miss a video. I'd love to have you back, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!